Okay, so here we are at the Biotope in Wakamatsu. It's the largest in Japan, I believe. I'm not going in there today. I've been there a couple of times, and they give a discount for senior citizens, which is nice. But I'll just go to as far as the office and show you what's there. Jude-in space, so you can charge your electric vehicle here as well on a Panasonic charger. How interesting. You can see the wind turbines in the background. We're still near the sea here, and that's the entrance to the Biotope there. And yeah, that's it really. I think I'm being observed from inside. I'm not going in there, so good. So that's it. And the Biotope has all kinds of birds, I suppose mainly birds, to see. This is all reclaimed land originally. You can see a tyre factory up there. That's it. Funny place really, but it's much better to have a Biotope than not have one, I'm sure. Okay, thank you very much.